Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Klarna application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Klarna application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the create account as well as the sign in button. Now click on the drop down menu above the create account button and choose your location first. Once you choose your location, tap on the create account button and now you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just type in your phone number within the given box and then tap on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. So just check your SMS and enter this verification code within the given box and proceed forward and you will be allowed to create your login credentials. Just enter your email address and your preferred password for your account and continue forward and you will be signed up to your newly created account on Klarna right away. You can then proceed forward with using these credentials every time you sign back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Klarna application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.